The Great Compassion Mantra. The Great Compassion Mantra is a compulsory mantra to be recited by all Buddhists. Some of its purposes include fulfill the wishes of all beings, help cure various diseases, and gain protection from Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. In addition, if one recites this mantra many times daily, it is possible to gain rebirth in any Buddha land. In our daily lives, the Great Compassion Mantra can enhance our energy. Those who experience fatigue during recitation or feel weak should recite this mantra. Additionally, people who often come into contact with negative energy, such as forensic doctors and criminal policemen, this mantra could help to make them more courageous. Also, if you want to prevent cancer, you may want to consider reciting this mantra too. In critical moments such as before and after a surgery, recite the Great Compassion Mantra for at least 21 or 49 times a day, or as many times as you could. As for beginners, you may recite 3 or more times daily as a long-term practice. For more details, kindly refer to the books Introduction to Guan Yin Citta Dharma and Buddhism, Your Questions Answered.